हेलो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, सलाम। दिस इज अमित कपूर। दोस्तों, आज मैं आपके सामने पेश करने जा रहा हूँ वीकली प्रेडिक्शन। वीक स्टार्ट हो रहा है 10th जून से लेकर 16th जून 2024 तक। जैसे कि मैं अपने नए व्यूवर्स को बता दूं कि मेरी ये प्रेडिक्शंस आपके सैंडस के बेस पे हैं। आपके सन साइन से, आपके मून साइन से मेरी प्रेडिक्शन का कोई लेना देना नहीं है। सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने सेंडल साइन को अपने माइंड में रखें, मेरे वीडियोस को सुने। यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट सम इंफॉर्मेशन रिलेटेड टू अपकमिंग वीक एंड यू कैन मेक योर लाइफ इजी एंड बेटर थ्रू वर्शिप एंड चैंटिंग। अब बात करते हैं कैप्रिकॉर्न एसेंडेंस की 10th जून से 16 जून तक की ये प्रेडिक्शन है। देखिए, मंडे ट्यूसडे अनएक्सपेक्टेड मॉनेटरी गेन्स हैं, मेंटल स्टेबिलिटी है, पॉजिटिव माइंड है, क्रिएटिव माइंड है एंड योर क्रिएटिविटी क्रिएट मैजिक एट योर वर्क प्लेस। हेल्थ बहुत अच्छी है, फैमिली सपोर्ट बहुत अच्छी है, स्पाउस के साथ रिश्ते बहुत अच्छे हैं, स्पाउस फुल सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छी एडवाइस भी दे रहे हैं, फाइनेंशियल सिक्योर भी कर रहे हैं। मंडे ट्यूसडे अनएक्सपेक्टेड चीज़ें आपके साथ अच्छी होंगी इन द टर्म्स ऑफ पॉजिटिव वे एंड यू विल एंजॉय वेरी गुड कंफर्ट्स एंड रिसोर्सेज। आप कोई गाड़ी बाय कर सकते हैं, कोई घर की रेनोवेशन करवा सकते हैं या प्रॉपर्टी में पैसा इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं। वेडनेसडे थर्सडे आपके लिए कोई लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस प्लेस से कोई गुड न्यूज़ आएगी। व्हाट्सएप चैटिंग, कम्युनिकेशंस, ईमेल, फोन कॉल्स के थ्रू आपको कोई गुड न्यूज़ मिलेगी। आईटी इंजीनियर हैं अगर आप, हार्डवेयर सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर हैं अगर आप, कंप्यूटर एसेसरी से संबंधित अगर कोई काम करते हैं, लैपटॉप्स का, गैजेट्स का स्टोर है, अनएक्सपेक्टेड गेन्स है, प्रमोशन है, इंक्रीमेंट है, सीनियर्स आर सेटिस्फाइड फ्रॉम योर परफॉर्मेंस ऑन वेडनेसडे थर्सडे। Things will be wonderful and you will get big business from market if you're a businessman. Some foreign transactions will make you happy and some additional source of earning will make you happy, Capricorn. This is a fantastic time for you. Friday, Saturday, you need to be careful about your mother health. You need to be careful about relationship between you and your mother. या तो आपके मदर की हेल्थ खराब होगी या आपके मदर के साथ रिश्ते खराब होंगे। इन दोनों चीज़ों में बैलेंस बनाएं तो चीज़ें अच्छी चलेंगी। अदरवाइज कुछ अनबैलेंसिंग सिचुएशंस यहाँ पर बनती रहेंगी। टफ टाइम है, हार्ड टाइम है, थोड़ा सा केयरफुल होकर चलें, लेकिन इस समय में दो चीज़ें ध्यान रख के चलें कि आप ब्लेस्ड हो, अच्छा खासा मुनाफा इस वीक में अर्जित करेंगे और अगर आपके ऊपर कोई डेप्स है आप उसको क्लियर करने में कामयाब हो जाएंगे। स्पाउस की, दोस्तों की और फैमिली की फुल ऑन सपोर्ट कैप्रिकॉर्न आपको मिलने वाली है। रेमेडी नंबर 1 इस सप्ताह में 5 dry coconut rounded 17 time clockwise 1 by 1 and throw in the running water on Saturday morning time 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Indian Standard Time. Remedy number 2, must go goddess Kali temple, Kali Mata temple on Wednesday night and Saturday night and offer moti bundi ke moti chur ke laddu. Remedy number 3, must wear white topaz and emerald in gold on your neck. Things will be excellent and you will enjoy comforts and resources. This is a very powerful and positive month in the terms of making money, in the terms of relationships, in the terms of getting support from your family and your well-beings. So let's talk about Aquarius ascendants from 10th June to 16th June. Monday, Tuesday, things are not performing as per your expectations. So your health will be matter of concern. Some stomach related trouble, some unnecessary headache are there. Relationship with your father is not very good. Health of your father is not very good. You're trying to perform your best, but you're failed to getting result. Monday, Tuesday is a very crucial time. You will be a part of any struggle or any problem. This whole time you need to be careful signing any document or any contract because something promise you something else and deliver you something else on Monday, Tuesday. Don't sign any document without the advice of any experts. Wednesday, Thursday gains are there, multiple resources earning are there, your savings will rise, your debts will clear or your pending work will clear. You will enjoy a good time at your workplace. If you are in job, your seniors are satisfied with your performance, but you need to perform your best. You need to perform your best more than your thoughts. And Wednesday, Thursday, you will bless with some good advice from your friends or well-wishers. You will bless with the good gains through networking business on Wednesday, Thursday. You will get good support from your spouse side. You will get good support from your in-law sides as well. Friday, Saturday, you may make some short distance or long distance journey which will prove very beneficial for you and you will enjoy resources. Health, wealth will be ultimate and you will get success in all aspects of your life. This is a very productive time in the terms of making money. This is a very productive time in the terms of start any new business partnership deal. Some new business offers are there, or some new opportunities will knock you. Cash flow will make you happy, savings will rise, and your family will support you. Friday, Saturday is a wonderful time. Overall, the takeoff of this week is not very good, but the landing of this week is ultimate for you, and your hard work will pay off you, and you will clear all debts, and you will enjoy a very good time with your loved one, with your spouse, with your girlfriend. So this is an ultimate time, especially Friday, Saturday. You must perform your best, be honest and dedicated about your work. You will definitely achieve big milestones. If you are in job, your seniors are satisfied from a performance of Friday, Saturday, because you will get wonderful business from the market. Things will be beyond your expectations on Friday, Saturday. So remedy number 1, from 10th June to 16th June, must read Hanuman Chalisa every night 3 times, 5 times or 7 times. Must chant this mantra, Om Hara Hari Haro Sah Suryaya Nama. 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 Chant this mantra minimum 108 times. The more you chant this mantra, the more you feel positivity surround you. Things will take place and you will enjoy comforts and resources. This whole week, especially Friday, Saturday, especially is the biggest game changer time for you. Monday, Tuesday, be careful and alert signing any document. Take care of your health. Take care of your father's health. Wednesday, Thursday, small gains are there, but not as per your expectations. Friday, Saturday, big things will happen with you and you will enjoy comfort and resources. So let's talk about Pisces ascendants from 10th June to 16th June 2024. Monday, Tuesday, you will come out from your problems. You will get big support from your near and dear. You will get some unexpected financial gains. You will get big support from your father or your grandfather's side, or your father or grandfather advice will prove biggest game changer for you. Some unexpected money will knock you, especially those native who are willing to settle in foreign land. Then Friday, Monday and Tuesday is a very promising day. If you already apply PR or work visa or tourist visa, you will bless with the visa, you will bless with the PR. Things will perform as per your expectations and you will enjoy resources, especially those native who are doing any type of job or any type of works related to foreign land. This is a productive time. If you are doing any type of import-export business, then you will get a big order or some foreign transactions will make you happy. Wednesday, Thursday, you need to be careful of signing any document. Wednesday, Thursday, some legal matters, due to some legal matters, you will feel irritated. Some unexpected expenditures are there on legal matters or police or court, kachari, you need to be careful. Take care of your father's health on Wednesday, Thursday. Health of your father will be matter of concern. Relationship with you and your spouse will be matter of concern. Relationship with your in-laws will be matter of concern. Try to be humble and down to earth. Then you will handle the situation nicely. Otherwise, Wednesday, Thursday, you will mess up with a lot of complications. Wednesday, Thursday, you will be a part of any hurdles. Any problems are there, unexpected problems, unexpected expenditures, something is there which will make you unhappy. Friday, Saturday, you will get small support from your younger siblings. Friday, Saturday, you will bless with the small gains. But things are not as per your expectations, but your old investments will give you fruitful results. This time you need to be careful of spending your money. Try to avoid any travels. Try to avoid any type of new business setup. Friday, Saturday, some small gains are there, but mental instability are there. Negativity, anxiety, depression, you are thinking very deep because you are a part of any litigation. So time is not performing very well. But you need to maintain a good balance between your relationship with your business, supplier, buyers, your lover, your wife, your business partner. You maintain a good balance between your things. Otherwise, this whole week you will be messed up. You will be a part of any problem. Only Monday and Tuesday is a saving grace for you. Otherwise, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, complications, challenges and hassles are there. So I'm praying for your happy future, Pisces. I just suggest you 3 small remedies to make your week better and happy. Remedy number 1, must visit goddess Kali temple on Wednesday night or Saturday night and offer moti burdi ke moti choor ke laddu and read Kali Chalisa 3 times, 5 times or 7 times every night before sleep. Remedy number 3, must wear yellow sapphire and ruby on your neck in gold. Things will be good and you will get good blessings from universe. So stay cool, man. Thank you for watching my video. I'm praying for a happy future. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.